Alice Soldá is chair of the European Young Chemists Network, and Fernando Gomollón is convening network sessions here at EuChemS. Welcome to both of you. Now, a lot of the very senior delegates we've spoken to have talked about the importance of young chemists. Tell me a bit about the network.
Yeah, of course. I mean, the young chemist is the future. So this is the reason why it's so important. And the network tried to create exactly a network and a platform in order to exchange new ideas and new projects, in order to help the new scientists, new chemists to grow up, to build their career and to make the future nicer, let's say, in terms of activities.
And what are some of the specific things you're doing too?
So our network it tried to promote specific projects for improving the visibility of chemistry, and also to help them to, for example, to build their career, as I mentioned before, with a poster prize, with mentoring and supporting for a Marie Curie or year starting grant application. So we have really a lot of projects in order to do this, and also to go beyond the research, the academia level, to have contact with the industries and also with the schools, because of course you know the chemists start to build their mindset during the high school. So great teacher, great students in chemistry. So we organize a lot of video contests, photo contests, and drawing competition for pupils, for example.
How would you describe the mood among young chemists in the sessions that you're running here?
So far, the mood has been really optimistic because people believe in the future of chemistry, because chemistry is actually the central science. It's found in materials, it's found in medicine, it's found in a lot of places right now. And a lot of the talks so far have focused on trying to find a positive attitude towards chemistry and finding the right mentors that can inspire great stories and great chemistry. So I think it's quite nice to see all this positiveness among the young chemists in the conference.
And do you find young chemists excited about their work or frustrated over funding, or what's the...
I think they're excited about their work. Depending on where they come from, they're always frustrated about the funding possibilities, because sometimes you always need to have like a big name with you if you want to grow. But this is a very inspiring place to be, because thanks to the Royal Society of Chemistry ability to create this fantastic environment, we get the opportunity to network not only with fellow people in academia, but also with people in industry, with people working in communication, with people that are experts in getting grants. So we've put all that together in a symposium that lasts for 1 week, and then hopefully young chemists could improve the capabilities and have better funding and better lives in the future.
Just finally, Alice, let's look further ahead. What have you got planned after this Congress?
Of course, we would like to increase our network, because at the moment we have all the national delegates from the different countries that are part of EuChemS. But we started to have some interest from people outside of the network that are interested about what we are doing. So we are really pleased to welcome them in our network for our activities. And as Fernando said, there is a lot of, I've seen in the last period, a lot of people that are starting to come because they really would like to be part of a new community. And this is really important because, of course, in the community you can find future collaborators, you can find, for example, future boss, or a good connection the science is not just inside of the lab. It's really important, but then you have to communicate what you are doing, what you are finding, and making new connection. And events like this is very, very important.
Well, I leave you with the thought that one of my 11-year-old daughters, I have twins, is fascinated by science. So
Great.
I'm sure she'll be in touch with you in a few years' time. Thank you both for your time.
Thank you for inviting.